Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to spruce up my coffee station. If you guys were here for the last video, I showed you a very minimal decorating part here in the coffee station, and I didn't think I was going to make this video, to be honest. But those of you who know me know that my coffee station, my coffee bar, was one of my favorite things to decorate in my old place. So not doing something a little bit more here was really not sitting well with me. So I needed to at least add a garland or something. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to DIY a garland, and I'm showing you here what you're seeing on the screen now is from Dollar Tree. That's already a garland already made with lights on it. And then I had found these leaves at Hobby Lobby, and I was thinking I might just DIY my own. And then this cute little gnome, I'm going to add a little magnet on him. I'll talk about him a little later. But here I'm going to show you the leaves that I found at Hobby Lobby, and they are pretty realistic looking. Much more the vibe that I'm going for. The Dollar Tree ones, you'll see they're just not very realistic looking and a little too bright for my decor. But these that I'm showing you, really good quality. I didn't realize how many came in a bag. I'm definitely not using all of these. But I did opt to go with the Hobby Lobby leaves and make my own garland. And these are the Dollar Tree ones. As you can see, there's nothing really wrong with them, but they just don't go here in the kitchen. They're just a little too bright in color. And so, yeah, that's not what I wanted. I'm going to go ahead and DIY the garland. Now, I got this idea from another YouTuber. Her name is Cozyholic. She does all things cozy, and she actually DIY'd a garland similar to this in her coffee station. So I said, what a great idea. Let me go ahead and try to replicate that. And I actually did. It's been a while since I've taken out my glue gun, I have to admit. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think it came out really cute, and it's super simple. Just get twine and glue some leaves on it, and you have yourself a garland. Now this little wooden gnome, I bought him a couple of years ago off an Etsy shop, I believe, or a small business online, and he's adorable. I'm not big on gnomes at all. I don't decorate with them, but I just thought he was really cute with his little pumpkin spice coffee. So I'm just going to make him a magnet and put him on my refrigerator. I will be placing this magnet also on the refrigerator. It has all different types of measurements. I do a lot of baking at this time of year, and I need a lot of help sometimes with measurements and finding out, you know, if I don't have a certain measurement, what else can I use? So this chart will be very helpful. And then I'm also going to be adding some other fall magnets, and I'm going to share them with you. They're all from the same seller, and I'm going to link her info below. She has an Instagram account, and she's such a sweet girl. And this right here is my Zoe. She passed away 2020, and she made that personalized magnet for us. free of charge, and that was the sweetest thing ever. And this is a picture of me and Alexa when she was teeny tiny. So I put that on my refrigerator. But I'm going to hang the garland now, and I had a big issue with this because it seems to be cement on this wall. I couldn't drill holes, and I really wanted to drill some hooks in here to obviously also display some mugs. I'm going to have to revisit this because I couldn't get any hooks in there, any nails. So there was already 2 nails on that wall from, I guess, when they put the cabinets in. So I was able to put some magnetic hooks on those nails. But that's just a temporary thing. I really want to be able to put hooks there. But I'm going to, of course, add lights to my garland because of course you add lights to your garland, right guys? So I once read something that said you can tell a lot by a person on how they react or how they deal with tangled Christmas lights. You can tell a lot by their character. And I think that might be true. I actually have this video speeded up a little bit because I was here for a while struggling with these lights. You would think it's simple. They're small, they're skinny, they're bendable, but it takes a while to get them just right. I decided to bring down my clear mug that I shared with you on my last video. This was a gift from my daughter, and I'm just going to display my wooden pumpkin spoons that I bought this year from Hobby Lobby. They have them every year. I just never bought them before until this year, and I think they look really pretty here on the counter and adds just another touch of fall. Alrighty, so now we're going to organize these drawers. I haven't done anything with them since we moved in. We just kind of threw everything in there. So I want to organize my K-cups, Nespresso pods, and just put everything a little more organized. The tea bags don't really go here. They're gonna go where the tea bags go. And yeah, just kind of tidy up a little bit. Nothing too fancy. If you've been around for a while, you know there's nothing fancy about me or my videos or the way that I organize and decorate. I try to keep things pretty realistic around here. And also functional. Functionality is very important because we do live here, we do use things, so I like things looking pretty and tidy, but they have to be functional. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to organize the K-cups here, and this little makeshift box, I actually DIY'd it. It's four little boxes that I put together. They're from Dollar Tree, the little crate boxes. They're very good for organizing, but the K-cups are a little too big for this space. So I'm going to move on over the K-cups to the other drawer and just leave this one for the Nespresso pods. You'll see how it all turns out. I wanted to take this time out to just say thank you to everyone for all the love I received in my last video. I am blown away of how much you guys liked that video, and I gained quite a few subscribers from it as well. So thank you, thank you, thank you. It means a lot to me. I hope you guys continue to stick around for my fall videos. I have quite a few more coming before the home tour. The home tour will be sometime in September. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, or if you're new today, I would love for you to join my YouTube family. We do all things seasonal here, all things seasonal decorating, and just enjoying all the seasons. But I love fall the most, as you will see. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. So question of the day, do you drink coffee? And if you do, how do you take your coffee? I like cream, no sugar. I prefer the cream to have some sort of, sweetness to it. Not too much, but yeah, I like cream, not milk. And I don't mind flavored coffee. As you can tell, I do like flavored coffee here, but I do like regular coffee as well. And then sometimes we do have some tea at night. So comment below and let me know, do you like coffee? How do you take it? And if you don't drink coffee, what do you like to drink? This clear carousel organizational item, I think I found this, I'm pretty sure I found it at the Target Bullseye Playground spot, maybe last year or the year before. Perfect for tea bags. We like chamomile and peppermint. Those are two of our favorite. And then we just store it down here in the cabinet along with my coffee filters. Nothing fancy, like I told you before. I just store things down here because I don't have the space on top. So my seasonal disposable mugs will live down here for now, along with some extra coffee, my Nespresso machine, and yeah, some extra mugs as well. No judgment, please. But you guys have to let me know, did these small touches make a difference to you? Because they did to me. The garland alone with the lights just makes everything more festive, brings a smile to my face. Absolutely love it. I do have to revisit the hooks because I want to display a couple of mugs out here, so I need to figure that out. But let me know what you think. I love it. It makes me happier now to make my coffee. I'm actually going to help myself and make myself a cup of coffee now. And then I'm going to give you a view at night. And let me know your thoughts, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you all. And until next time, bye.